Hi, welcome to Series Crafting and More. I wanted to show you a cute little project that I've been working on. It is a farmhouse style project. It's a little board with a mason jar that's painted off-white. And I used Waverly chalk paint. And then I took an emery board because I don't have any sandpaper, and I sanded down the areas that had like the fruit and the details on the jar, as you can see, to give it more of a distressed look. And then I already had the bracket on the board, and what I'm going to do is just take a screwdriver and tighten the screw there on the bracket. And I'm going to have two really cute mason jars to go on my wall next to a sign that says blessed, a large wooden sign with the off-white color on the inside, and the blessed word is dark brown as well. And so I thought that would look really, really cute together. So if you like this farmhouse style project, please follow me on Sherry's Crafting and More on Facebook and also on my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.